as with all programs, sometimes our design programs can get stuck. So that means Illustrator can get stuck too. And if you are stuck and having issues, there's a couple ways to force quit Illustrator. First, the easiest way to quit Illustrator would be to come up to the Illustrator dropdown and go to Quit Illustrator. Now that's Command Q as the shortcut key. But if you're actually stuck and it's getting hung up, you probably don't have that as an option. So there's a couple things you could try. Number one, come down to your taskbar or your dock, right-click Illustrator and try to quit it here. That also might not work. So to truly force quit Illustrator, here on a Mac anyway, is to press Command-Option-Escape. This is how you can force quit any app. And so if we find Illustrator right here, which interestingly enough has my Figma icon, so maybe I do need to force quit this, you just find your program you want to force quit and then click on Force Quit. It's going to say, hey, you're going to lose anything that's unsaved, and that's unfortunate, but we're going to need to force quit this because it's having issues. So we click on that, give it a second, and it actually will quit out of Illustrator. And so it's easy enough to come back down here and open Illustrator back up, and it will reload Illustrator completely, and hopefully your file was saved, or something like this happens right here, that there was a autosave recovery. So sometimes there are recovery files. You can click OK and go see, and it brought us right back to the same file we were on, hopefully in the same state we were on. I'm sure that if you're force quitting, you're not in a very good spot with Illustrator. Now, if you're on Windows, you're going to just need to do Control-Alt-Delete and get to your task manager and force quit either the program or force quit the process of Adobe Illustrator there on Windows. But this is how you can do it on a Mac specifically, and that's how you would go about doing it on Windows. And that's how you can force quit Adobe Illustrator.